Have you ever pushed a code and then you realize you left an API key inside a commit? That happened to me. And then you might think the easiest way to solve this is to delete your API key and then make a new commit. But that doesn't solve the problem, because if someone should go back to the Git history, they can still find the commit that specific API key was added to, and they can extract it. The easiest way to solve this is to edit your Git history. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to git init, which to initialize my Git repo, this project as a repo, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to set up my code editor, which I'm using VS Code. That's what I'm using. I made a mistake, so I need to do git config code.editor, then code -- wait. Once I'm done, I'm going to create my function, call the function, and then I'm going to add this to. I'm going to create a commit with this, right? Let me call it initial commit, and then log, and then you could see the list of my commits, right? So once I'm done with that, let's just say in this scenario that I talked about where you forgot your API key here, so let me just add this as an API key and then commit it, right? So once I commit this and call this update git, so once I commit it, this has been added to my git commit, right? So you might think, okay, let me fix this. You think you want to fix this, and then you remove the API key, and let me just update this a bit, and then let me commit it. So you just think, okay, this could fix it, but the truth is, let me just commit and remove API key. All right, so now the truth is this wasn't fixed, right? You didn't fix this by removing the API key and committing it. So let's just prove to you that it wasn't fixed. So let's go to that particular commit and doing git checkout, and then if you go to that commit, you can see the API key, right? So let me just go back. So now the way to fix it, we have to edit the git history. So you do that by calling git rebase-i, which is interactive 8, and then specify the number of commits back you want to display. So now the issue was in the first commit here, because it's always in reverse order. So that particular commit, they have to just put edit and then save and close the file. That's going to take me that particular commit for me to edit it. So now I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to add it, and then I'm going to commit it, which in case there's conflict is going to show me the conflict, and I'm going to tell me to fix it. Now it's suggesting I change the commit message. I don't want to change the commit message, right? So I'm going to continue. So now there's a conflict, so all I need to do is to fix the conflict, right? So, and then once I fix the conflict, I'm going to go ahead and add this to the staging environment, and then I'm going to continue reverse. It's going to take me to where it asks me whether I need to change the commit message. I don't want to, so I'm done. So now if you log the commit, you're going to see we still have 3 commits here right now. If we go into that specific commit that the API key was in, you see we can't the API key is no more. So that means we have fixed the issue. Then you can go back and you can see that's like this is the simplest way to solve to edit your git history, to remove whatever API key you might have mistakenly put in there. So next time you mistakenly push something like this, don't panic. Git got your back. Save this video so you could make reference to it when you have issues like this. Also share it so that it can help somebody out there. Follow for more tips like this, and see you next time. Thank you.